Breaking the habit. Understanding old habits die hard. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase that you've probably heard before. Old habits die hard. This saying is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's get started and uncover what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. At its core, "old habits die hard" is a saying that people use to express the idea that it's very difficult to change one's behavior or habits, especially if they have been practiced for a long time. This phrase highlights the human tendency to stick to familiar patterns, even when we know it might be beneficial to change. It acknowledges the struggle and the time it often takes to break free from these long-standing habits. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. Personal habits. Maybe you're trying to quit smoking or stop biting your nails. These are personal habits that can be very hard to break, illustrating the essence of "old habits die hard." Workplace routines. Perhaps your company has introduced a new system, but you find yourself reverting to the old methods out of habit. This resistance to change is another perfect example of the saying in action. Cultural practices. On a larger scale, cultural or societal habits that have been around for generations can also be difficult to change, reflecting the deep-rooted nature of this phrase. While the exact origin of "old habits die hard" is not clear, it's believed to have been in use for centuries. The saying reflects a universal truth acknowledged across various cultures and times, that change is challenging but not impossible. Its persistence in language today shows just how relevant this concept remains. Understanding when and how to use "old habits die hard" can enrich your English communication. You can use it in empathy. When someone is struggling to change, saying "old habits die hard" can show understanding and sympathy. In self-reflection, you might use this phrase when talking about your own efforts to change a habit, signaling awareness of the challenge. In storytelling, it's a useful phrase for highlighting character development or challenges in narratives, whether you're writing or speaking. We hope this exploration of "old habits die hard" has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English. Remember, recognizing and acknowledging the difficulty of change is the first step towards growth, both in language learning and in life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't forget, old habits may die hard, but they're not invincible. Happy learning!